Another prophetic word po.
Si Joseph po, okay, pinangalan niya sa pangalan niyang anak is Manasseh. Ang ibig sabihin ng Manasseh, for he said, God has made me forget all my troubles and everyone in my father's family. Manasseh is the name na pinangalan ni Joseph sa kanyang pangalan na anak. Sobrang painful po na pinadaan ni Joseph. He was betrayed, sold to slavery, napapintangan, nakulong, nakalimutan. But when God gave him a son, he named him Manasseh to declare na pinuranan ni Lord lahat ng mapapangit kabakas ng kanyang nakaraan. Dear Bench, maaaring tumaan ka sa season na puno ng trouble. To the point na piniga ka, sinagad ka hanggang sa sarili mo. Dumaan ka sa season na parang walang katapusan ang problema. At season na pakiramdam mo, talagad ka. You've been rejected, you've been betrayed and abandoned. As season na walang ibang katabo kundi ni hati at sakit. Pero katulad ni Joseph, God wants to tell you right now that your season of Manasseh is coming. A season kung saan hindi ka, Lord, to forget all the pains and troubles of the past and embrace the new beginning He is giving you. This is the ending of a season
Prophetic word for sunset.